Hello, and today I will be showing you how to draw Toothless from How to Train Your Dragon. I recommend using pencil first in case you make any mistakes. Okay, let's start in the middle of the page with a half oval. This is going to be the wing. And then from this point here, you're going to draw a line up with a W type shape. So you're going to come up. The middle is going to be higher than this part though. And come down and do the same thing. Then from this point, you're going to draw a line down to about the same height as this line here, with a curved line coming out and about a 45-degree angle coming back in to the wing. Then you're going to draw 3 lines, one for each point. So 1, 2, and 3. And that's your wing. Now we're going to start the legs with, in the middle of the wing, like right from this point, just at the bottom, you're going to draw a curved line curving to the left, and then a curved line going to the opposite of that, with a little line down, 2 spikes, and then it will come down just a bit more. And you're going to draw a straight line with a little like upside down raindrop as the claw. And do that 2 more times. And this is the first foot. And then carry this line up, and you're gonna come in and then follow this line back out. We're gonna start the next leg like behind it. So you're gonna start off with a sort of 90-degree angle, curved. And you're gonna come down and in, draw a little triangle for the claw, and then come down and around and do the raindrop as the claw 2 more times. And then you're going to continue this line. You're going to come up, curve in, and come back up. Now we're going to join the legs with the body with a curved line like that. And then two lines for the other leg. And then from there, do a straight line, come up and into the body, with a like claw triangle coming out like that. Then we're going to start the tail with a straight line coming out here, curving that around it with another curved line like that to make like a triangle. And you're going to follow this curved line 2 more times, so like that. And then you're going to connect these 2 points with another curved line. And from these points to here, you're going to draw a line. Then for the actual tail, you're going to start in the middle of this curved line here, and you're going to draw an S. And then at the tip here, you're going to draw 3 mountain-like shapes, so up and around like that. 1 more time. And then this is going to come down into the tail, and then with 3 straight lines coming from that. On the wing here, you're going to draw another S, making sure it gets smaller as it goes on, and connect that there. Then for the body, you're going to continue this line through with a little hump for the neck. Then for the second wing, you're going to draw a half rectangle sort of shape. Then you're going to come around back with a triangle. Now continue this line towards the wing, stop just behind it, and curve that in. Then you're going to draw a line, 2 lines, and a line around the curve. Now for the head, you're going to draw a line with 2 bumps kind of shapes. And you're going to come around. You're going to go straight up and continue around with then 2 spikes and a little horn, curved horn. And you're going to do that on the other side. For the inside of the face, you're going to draw 3 half triangles coming down between the 2 spikes with a half circle and then another one on the other side, and then inside do the same thing and color that in for the eyes. And then for the nose, you're going to draw a diamond, just leave out the point here and do the same in the middle. For the last claw, you're going to draw out with a triangle there. Then come around a claw and do that twice more and curve that back in, and there you have it. That's Toothless from How to Train Your Dragon.